Harrington Flints now, so join us as we go inside Harrington Flints. Harrington Flints Island Adventures, we're going to go on that now, so join us on that one. So this is the entrance. So obviously we have a thing, and we go on the entrance, we're going round there.
Enjoying a well-earned break at Fantasy Island. Keep your blasters at the ready in case we find ourselves in a pickle. That dastardly Professor Crow is always plotting something. By Jove! You can turn now and see what the plan is tomorrow.
Perfect point. Oh. Not talking.